Hi everyone, let's continue our lesson. Let's begin with the VS Code. The VS Code. Let's start here, new file. If you want to begin new file from scratch, open file. If you have already a file in your computer, and open a folder if you have a folder to work on it. And clone Git repository. This is we will talk about this in a later lesson about version control. We will use Git and GitHub for version control when we decide to build the project. Now let's continue our series. Let's begin with the new file and name it file with file. And you have to create this file. Now the file is created and his name is file. File.py. The extension py. This means that you are working with Python. Python program will interpret this code as a Python code. Okay, in this lesson we will talk about file managing in Python. File. This is the command. Command this is not interpreted by Python interpreter. Okay, file with Python. This is a basic course. We will talk a little bit about how you can create a file, how you can read a file, how you can add some text to a file. Okay, now set the file. Let's open a new folder to continue our work. Here in the desktop space repo, select this folder to begin the work. Okay, let's delete this file. Okay, now we will work inside this class.file. To begin working with files, okay, we will create a new file from scratch with just code with Python. Okay, let's name our file and equal to execute the command to begin the use of the file. We will use the function built-in open, and inside this function, if you hover inside this function, you notice this is take a lot of parameters. We will use just the file, the part of the file, and the mode. The mode, which is if you want to write, if you want to read, or if you want to add a text to the file. Open a new file. Let's name it text. You can say text.txt and come up the information that you want. I want to write a file, a new file from scratch. You have to use the key W. Now we are creating here with this function open a file named text.txt with the mode of write. Now if you want to access this file and do something with this file, you have to print or store this inside the variable. This variable or just print file. So this is all the method inside open. Open because we passed open to the file, and now you can use the functionality inside open with the file. File dot. Here you want to write something. So there is write and there is write line. Whereas you will write just a paragraph. Okay. Hello world. Okay. This allows the program to see. Now we are creating a text file with this command, and inside this file we are writing hello world. If you check out the file now, you will find hello world. Okay. Now close the file. File.close. Close the file because we are just finished with editing the file. Now, if you want file 2 equal open and read, and what file you want to use, this file text.txt, comma, the mode of the opening. If you want to write or if you want to read. I want to read what's inside this file. Okay, friends, here, friends file, so dot read. Read what's inside this file. Okay, let's run the code. Here you have a hello world that is inside this text. You see this file in green and in yellow because I use this inside the repository, so not worry about this. Just understand principle or the structure of the code. This is a read. If you want to add something without overwriting what's inside this file, we use command open with mode a file. Okay, file 3 equal open. We forgot something very important. That is to close the file. File 2 dot close. Okay, now open this file. Access to the path text dot txt, and this is the mode with a add something that is file 3 dot write. Okay, let's write something inside file Python Python tutorial with Ahmed, of course. Okay, let's run the command now. Okay, inside the console, here you have 11 because this value is specified for this class. Don't worry about this. This read hello world, and we close the file, and file 3 open txt, open this file and put this phrase inside the txt. If you open the file now, you will find hello world that is added in the first step, and then we add Python C2 with Ahmed. You notice that is not quite pretty. If you want to modify this, you can go here inside the code, like the code here, and write lines. Okay, let's run the code now. We don't specify this. Okay, okay. With the code, not the file. Okay, here's the file, and we push now this open another direction, another line. Okay, now we specify the word Python C2 with Ahmed. Thank you for watching.